Crypto billionaire 69. Woo woo. Back with another daily in-depth technical analysis video on Dogelon to Mars. My beautiful friends, I was chilling in a coffee shop. I came over, looked at what the price action is doing, and I was like, oh my goodness, I need to update my people. So I'm in my car right now, making a quick update video for you guys on what's going on. So we have seen some major price action, exactly like what we want to see today. We were looking for us to come up and test these 1350 levels, which we did, and we broke through quite well, holding above it, making higher lows. That is what I said in the last video. For us, we want to close above this 1350 level so we can come and test these 14s. However, what did we see? I did not think this was going to happen so quickly. We broke above these 14. A huge buyer came in here. Huge buyer. This is what happened here. I'll go really in-depth on this. All my stuff is inside this coffee shop. Wallet, everything. I don't care. Let's do this. So, okay, this is what happened. A big buyer saw that it pushed above these 1350 levels, and they bought so much, it pushed it all the way up to these 1458 levels, breaking previous resistance. What happened? This is what happened. The people who are shorting this, the people who are betting this is going down, this is where their stop loss was at. This is where their sell order was at. So a lot of people took profits around this, once it broke this 1430 area. That is what brought it down all the way again. A big buyer pushed it up. People had sell orders in, which pushed it back down. However, we cleared the way. We cleared the path to the upside by taking out most of those sell orders right at this level. It's a beautiful thing. It's a beautiful thing. Whoever this buyer is, I'll give him a free back massage because he just made it so much easier for us to move up to the upside. It's beautiful. So what we are looking at here, we're making higher lows. And I'm going to go to an even smaller time frame, 30 minutes, just for you beautiful people. Higher lows. Look at this. All right. We're making higher lows. That is a horrible trend line, but you see what I'm talking about. We are making higher lows. Now, what we want to see here, this red candle, if it does start to show selling pressure, we want to see it base around these 1376 levels. How did I get that? You look over here, this big red candle, it's the top of it. Okay? You want it to base here. That will be the most bullish sign, continuing to make higher lows before we break through these 14 levels. All right? That's our next point of resistance, is the top of this big green candle. Boom. 14 levels, 1402. Once we break that, we are heading off to the races. Bitcoin seems to be reversing at this time. It is a beautiful, beautiful time, because we will start seeing some major gains in the coming weeks. So I am excited for all of you beautiful people that have been following this channel, that have gotten in at the best times, because I really do notify you guys on the best times to buy, and I will notify you guys on the best times to sell once we spike. Right now is accumulation phase. Anything under the 20 areas is a good buy. Right now would not be a bad buying opportunity if you have not averaged in. So consider it. If you want my real-time buy and sell alerts, check out the Patreon. The link is in the description. There are a few spots left. I just opened a couple spots up so more people can get in on the action, because you do not want to miss out when we are in a huge spike and you are debating selling. I will help you along the way, the whole entire way. That's what I'm here for. I've been doing this. This is how I make a living, and I'm very confident that we are going to make a lot of money this year, my beautiful friends. Crypto billionaire 69. Daily in-depth analysis. Hit that subscribe button, babies, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.